Welcome, today in front of me Google 6a, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. After that you'll see here the media, call, ringtone and notification and alarm volume panels, and just to change them, these volumes, you should hold for a while and swipe to the left or to the right side with your finger, that's white dots. We can here also set the don't disturb mode. We can turn on or turn it off by click here on this button. Also we can just allow here the calls, SMS, just the notifications from just the people, applications, from the alarms. We can set the schedule, the start and the end time of the don't disturb mode. Here we can change the duration for quick settings, and to display options for hiding notifications. Here we can change the phone ringtone, the notification sounds, the alarm sounds. We can turn on or turn off the vibration and haptics for notifications. For touch, the ring vibration. We can also switch to pin media player in quick settings and to show media recommendations. Also we can here turn on or turn off the feature to identify songs which play nearby. We can turn on or turn off the live captions here, and if you want to turn on or turn off the dial button, screen lock, unlock sounds, charge sounds and touch sounds, we should touch each of the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.